Oil filling procedure. Fill ELGI Air Lube oil until the oil reaches the middle level of the oil level indicator at the top. Close the oil filling plug and run the compressor for 10 minutes until the thermostatic valve opens. Stop the compressor. After 5 minutes, check the oil level. The oil should be up to the middle level of the oil level indicator at the top. If the oil level has not reached the recommended level, refill and repeat the process until the recommended level is reached. On reaching desired oil level, restart the compressor